Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'd like to create some different and new food fight characters from my little kind of cartoon that I've created. And I haven't drawn any in a while, so I thought it'd be fun to show you a new character, and in today's I'm going to be showing you how to draw my food fight spaghetti character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with my spaghetti food fight character, I'm going to begin right up here with the eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I just want to draw kind of like a bumpy circular shape for a meatball eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another one over here, just another kind of bumpy little meatball shape. Now I want to add some sauce on here. So I'm just going to make a little wavy line that goes across. And I'll draw another little wavy line across this one as well. Right in the middle, let's make a line to connect it. And right here, we're going to make a line that comes out, and we'll make another line that comes out on this side. Now I'm going to draw like a nice big wavy line to come and connect the two lines together for more sauce. And then I'm going to draw the actual spaghetti down here. So to do that, I'm just going to make some kind of wavy lines that are just going to go over and up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw the bowl. So I'll make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and come up here. Then at the bottom, I like to draw two little lines with another little line connecting it. Now, starting here, I'm just going to make some little wavy lines all the way over here. And all you want to do for spaghetti is just make a bunch of little curved lines all over the place and just add a couple little extras in here. So we're just going to add some different little lines all over it in here. Now, for my food fight character, I like to have my little spaghetti noodles be the arms. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw some little wavy lines like this. So I'll make one like that. Then I'm going to make it curve around, and I'm going to bring it back to here. Then I'm just going to make another little wavy line here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make another long, kind of wavy line. I'm going to make it curve around, and we're going to bring it right back to here. Then I like to make a couple little extra lines on here. Then, for some detail, I like to add just a couple little broken curved lines up here. And just a couple more little extra lines right around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little spaghetti food fight character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.